In this program, we basically want to write a function that asks user to enter his or her friend names. We store them in a list. We don't know how many friends the user have, and so all we say, hey, if you don't have any more friends, just press the enter key. Enter key in front of input returns an empty string, so that becomes the condition of our loop to basically terminate. The function then returns the list of these friends to the main program. The main program sorts the list and then prints friend names one by one as shown here. So let's define the function first. We initialize an empty list. We read the first, basically, name of the friend. So we just say name. And name is a text, so we don't need to use any sort of typecasting when we read the information from the user. We just say input, enter your friend's name. Then our loop condition becomes while name is not an empty string. So when the user just press enter, the input returns an empty string. An empty string, we just show it by two basically double quotations or quotation marks. They're basically the same. If that's not the case, then we just say friend list, friend name list, append the name that you read, and then read the next name. Once done, the program returns the list. Inside the main program, we just call the function get friend names that basically returns our list. Then we are going to sort it, and we use a for loop to basically print the list, because we want to print the names because we want them to be printed one by one, each one in a new line. So for name in name list, just print name. Let's give it a try. John, Todd, Reza, Allison. And we just press enter for the last one, and you can see the friend names are sorted alphabetically, and the program prints it.